Hello guys, welcome back to Engineer 1. Today I have a transportation engineering problem for you. We're going to be solving a horizontal curve problem. So this one says a car is rounding a curve with a radius of 60 feet at a speed of 25 miles per hour. We're given a friction factor of 0.644 and we're required to solve for the super elevation. So anytime that you have a transportation engineering problem on the FE exam, you got to make sure that you go to the reference manual and you find the right section with the formulas that you need. So in this case, we're going to be using this formula right here, which is on FE reference manual page 302. This is the side of friction based on super elevation formula. And what I'm going to do is I am going to write down the parameters that we have for this formula. So we have the friction factor, which is 0.644. And then we have the design speed, which is 25 miles per hour. And then we also have the radius, which is equal to 60 feet in this case. And one thing about this formula is that you don't need to do any conversions. You plug in the numbers in miles per hour for the design speed, and you can keep the radius in feet. The formula is designed that way. You don't need to worry about any conversions. So now that we know we have all of these parameters, we just need to solve for the super elevation. So the best way to do that is to use a calculator. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit second. We're going to go to number solve. And then we're just going to plug in our formula in this case. So it's going to be 0.01 times x, because that's what we're solving for, the super elevation, plus our friction factor, 0.644. Then we can go to the other side, and we can put the design speed, 25 miles per hour squared, and then 15 times 60 feet. So then we're just gonna go ahead and solve for x, in this case our super elevation. So once you go ahead and solve, you'll see that the answer is 5.04. If we take a look at our multiple choice answers, the number closest to that is 5%, so our answer is C. Alright guys, so that was today's problem. It was transportation engineering, horizontal curves. If you would like to see more content like this in the future, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and also comment on any feedback or what you would like to see me covering in the next few videos. I'll make sure to look at those, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.